Welcome to the world of astrology. If you're new here, you've probably heard about zodiac signs, but do you know the order they follow? Today, we're going to go through all 12 signs in order, giving you a glimpse of what makes each one unique. Let's dive in. First up, we have Aries, the bold and fiery first sign of the zodiac. Aries kicks off the astrological year with fearless energy, passion, and an unstoppable drive. If you know an Aries, you probably know someone who jumps headfirst into life. Next, we slow things down with Taurus, the second sign of the zodiac. Taurus is all about stability, comfort, and persistence. These are the ones who appreciate the finer things in life and won't be rushed, ever. Now, let's pick up the pace with Gemini, the third sign. If Aries starts the journey and Taurus sets the foundation, Gemini brings curiosity and conversation into the mix. These quick thinkers and social butterflies keep things exciting. Then we come to Cancer, the fourth sign, ruled by the moon and known for its deep emotional intelligence. Cancers are the nurturers of the zodiac, always looking out for their loved ones and following their intuition. Fifth in line is Leo, the radiant, confident, and creative sign ruled by the sun. Leos love to shine, whether on stage or in everyday life. They bring passion and warmth to everything they do. Then we have Virgo, the sixth sign, known for its precision and analytical mind. Virgos are the organizers, the helpers, and the ones who notice the little details others overlook. If you need a plan, find a Virgo. Moving to Libra, the seventh sign, we enter the world of balance and beauty. Libras seek harmony in relationships and aesthetics, always aiming to bring fairness and charm into their surroundings. Then we dive deep with Scorpio, the eighth sign, mysterious and intense. Scorpios are known for their passion, transformation, and ability to see beyond the surface. If you need loyalty, a Scorpio has your back. Next, we have Sagittarius, the ninth sign, free-spirited, adventurous, and always seeking wisdom. Sagittarians love to explore, whether through travel, philosophy, or big ideas. Then comes Capricorn, the 10th sign, known for its discipline and ambition. Capricorns are the ones climbing the mountain of success with patience and strategy. They get things done. The 11th sign, Aquarius, brings innovation, rebellion, and forward-thinking energy. Aquarians are the visionaries, always ahead of their time and unafraid to be different. Finally, we close the zodiac cycle with Pisces, the 12th and most intuitive sign. Pisces is dreamy, artistic, and deeply connected to emotions and the spiritual realm. They feel everything on a whole different level. And there you have it, all 12 zodiac signs in order. Each one plays a vital role in the cosmic journey, bringing something unique to the table. Now that you know the order, we'll dive deeper into each sign in the upcoming videos, starting with Aries. So make sure to like, subscribe, and stay tuned. See you next time.